Here's how you can monetize on your YouTube channel and focus on the only analytic that you need to get there faster. Now, and I say fast in the sense of cutting out all the fluff that everybody else shares. The one thing that I learned when it comes down to YouTube analytics is that in order to get monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time. And the subscribers will come. So let's just ignore that analytic. We're not going to worry about the subscribers yet, because when you focus on that, you won't execute in a way that works for you. So instead, what I want you to do is focus on the watch time hours and how to build more engaging content. How do you hold the audience's attention throughout the entire video from start to finish? One thing that you can do is create a very creative hook. Like within the first 30 seconds of your videos, you need to go straight to the point, or give a person a reason why to click on that video and stay for the video. So don't introduce yourself in the beginning of the video, because honey, they don't care. Your video is being shown to thousands, if not millions of people at a time every time you upload. So it's not that YouTube is withholding you from growing. It's just that you're not giving people a reason why they should even click. So give people a reason why they should click. And then the goal for those watch time hours is to stretch their attention throughout the video. And you can look up every single video and watch that line. And as long as it stays above 40%, for the most part, I mean, if you could hit 70, like, you're a boss. And you need to tell me what you're doing. But if you're able to hold 40% of a person's overall attention throughout the entire video, chef's kiss, you are going to kill it. Because what's going to happen is you're letting YouTube know that this is a really good video. And what they'll do is they'll continue to show it to more people over and over and over again, knowing that people love it based on their retention. And so much so that once they realize, and I'm speaking about YouTube, realizes that this is a great freaking video, you're going to end up on Google's first page. You're welcome. So if you would like to know how to go even deeper to really monetize your passion on YouTube and to really cultivate an attraction in a soft feminine way, where you're stepping into your power and you're not working hard and you're not getting content crazy and doing content every single day, like, no, honey. We do it the slow way, we do it the attractive way, and we create magnetism when it comes to your content. I got a free training on my page. Go check it out. I hope to see you there.